Hey everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today's job video is related to a job opportunity and we will discuss about it. But before that, I want to request you all to subscribe to Jobkar for more job updates and placement preparation related videos as we upload videos on daily basis for job recruitment and preparation. So if you are a job seeker or a student, then this will definitely gonna help you get your first job. So please do like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. So with that note, let's quickly move with the video. So today we will talk about hiring from JPMorgan's, and the role is of business analysis analyst. Okay, so basically business analyst. Okay, and location will be Hyderabad, Telangana. And if we quickly move on to the job description, so the responsibilities include, in partnership with process leaders, evaluate and perform an end-to-end analysis of the business environment to identify significant gaps and weaknesses and determine root cause of them, and partner in mapping and documentation through participation in end-to-end process walkthrough and deep dives with process leaders, and perform monthly issue tracking and reporting of process and control enhancement, organize responses or artifacts to satisfy inquiries and or request for information, and knowledge of role based access control and access administration best practices plus. Okay, so these will be your responsibility as an business analyst at JP Morgan's. Now the education or knowledge they require are bachelor's degree or equivalent experience, background in controls, audit, quality assurance, operational risk management, or compliance preferred or equivalent subject matter expertise in a relevant business related function or operation technology. Okay, now strong analytical skills with the ability to collect, organize, analyze, and uh, disseminate significant amounts of data and information with attention to detail and accuracy. Advanced working experience with MS Office, sure, and especially Excel, SharePoint, and PowerPoint. So you should have idea about MS Office, MS Excel, SharePoint, and PowerPoint. Okay, now this is about JP Morgan. So it is one of the oldest financial institution that offers innovative financial solutions to millions of customers. Okay, so this is about the team which you gonna work with. Okay, so any graduate can apply for this job and the requirements are really very basic. So do apply for this job because anyone can apply. So do take do take advantage of this opportunity because JP Morgan is a really big company, and this will also pay you a good salary. Also, they have not mentioned exact salary, but JP Morgan is a big name, so this will gonna pay you a good salary. Okay, and any graduate can apply, so do apply guys, make the most of it. And you can also share it with whoever your friends or family have graduated. Okay, so I will provide this link in the description box. So you need to go to this apply now button and complete your application, and after submission a company will coordinate to you through your email ID. So just be active on that, and be active on your registered email ID through which you have registered for this job. Okay, so this is all for today's video guys. And if you like the video, then you need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for more job updates and placement preparation related videos. And also hit the bell icon and follow us on Instagram at Jobker_official. And you can also find the link in the description box. So do follow us on Instagram. And if you have any doubts, then you can comment in the comment box. I'll be happy to help you, and I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.